Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
So while the price of Bitcoin is continuing to be traded around the same area, mass media is bombarding us with more bearish titles like Bitcoin is about to die, and crypto is worse than .com, and cryptocurrencies are in meltdown, and so on and so forth. You know, I like this tweet from the guy in Twitter known I Love Crypto nickname. His nickname is like that, and he just pointed out the bearish and bullish titles for the SNBC, and probably it is related to the other can be correlated with the other mass media titles or topics. So greenish are mostly when the price of Bitcoin is about to fall, and bearish are mostly when the price of Bitcoin is about to rise. So it's a sort of a great indicator when we will have some new change of the price just based on the mass media and do the opposite. So let's see what we have today, where we'll go. You're watching Crypto Hamster channel, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's amazing actually how people easily change their opinion or their sentiment about the current situation in the market. So recently, just like a few hours ago, we had that pump for like $100 or something, and everybody are starting to say, oh, we're about to moon again, all the altcoins are green and we're going to the new all-time high, yada yada yada. So I don't know why people say that. In my opinion, it's more likely that it's sort of a the move to make people believe that will go up, and then after that will go down. So apparently there is sort of a price corridor around here, so we broke it above that, and this is actually also the triangle, and if those people who are short, they basically left some stop orders around this area, this is the perfect way to collect those stop orders before the price will be pushed down. So we're correcting now, and basically we may go even lower, and maybe this was the last sort of push upwards before the real moving down. So we'll see. Maybe within a few days or a week we will find it out. By the way, speaking of shorts and longs, interestingly, the longs were increased just before that. Like this was the major part of the longs increase. So I wouldn't say this is a completely dummy long. So probably it was the part of those people who expected this rise. And shorts dropped, but just very little. So people still believe into Bitcoin go down, and actually this is again the great way to manipulate the price and like the whole capital of the market. So we went up, so the shorts went down, so now it can go down without being really appreciative for the shorts which were before, and then during the down trend we will probably cut those longs and so on. But looking at the wider time scale, we can actually see that we are becoming closer and closer, like the range actually, this range of this triangle which we had before is smaller and smaller, becoming more narrow. So it's actually much easier to break it one way or another, and it's also very tight in terms of the time range. I made this sort of a curve, it's more like a fun, like a play, but still, who knows, this is actually maybe a trend, like increasing trend of the lows. So basically it was the lowest, I think, low, then a bit higher low, then again higher low, so maybe we'll see even higher low again, and that will be the pivotal point. But still, the crucial thing is we have like about a month or maybe 2 months when we will see, even without SEC commission approving or rejection. It was actually very interesting that in Twitter some people posted that, oh, ETF was approved after they saw this pump, and everybody, oh wow, the ETF was approved. It's such a bullshit. Well, it was a joke though, but people are so easily bought it and were so happy, and that's crazy. So anyway, what I'm pointing out is we're very close to the end of this correction or whatever it is from the January 2018. So we're about to end it, and basically maybe like 2-3 weeks I would give to that. We'll see, guys. Don't fall so easily to the change of this tiny change of the price. Well, in general, I mean, daily it looks not bad. It looks like similar to what we had here. So maybe we'll have like again this rise to 7,000 or something like that, and then drop again or whatever. But still, I don't think that we can make a like break of this trend and go high without September 30th or without the test of sub 6K region, in my opinion. We'll see what will happen. Anyway, I wish you a safe trade. Don't forget that all what I say is just my personal opinion, not a financial advice, and trade safely, guys. Goodbye.